Je pense à toi, l'odeur de ton parfum alisé, tes baisers sucrés salés. Tu me manques, tu me manques. Je pense à toi. Tu resteras bien jamais gravé dans ma mémoire. Tu resteras bien jamais gravé dans ma mémoire. Comment ça va là-bas? Ici tous les jours mais se ressemble. J'ai toujours le mal de toi. Tu sais, ma vie a perdu de sa couleur, mais j'ai toujours dans le cœur l'espoir de te revoir.
Les trois mots du bonheur, Sun, Black et FM. Vous êtes sur la radio du bonheur. Demeurez-nous fidèles. La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles. La Sun Black FM vous invite à la découverte des talents africains avec son émission Sun Kiff Talent. Retrouvez-nous 2 fois par mois, les mercredis à partir de 21h. Une émission culturelle présentée par Mouankez.
Bonsoir et bienvenue sur la Sun Black FM. Merci de nous recevoir chez vous. Vous êtes bien sur l'émission Sun Kiff Talent tous les mercredis à 21h. Alors, cette émission, c'est simplement pour mettre en exergue les talents africains. Alors, toi qui es derrière, toi qui nous écoutes, si tu as un talent, si tu connais quelqu'un qui a un talent, n'hésite surtout pas. Écrivez-nous inbox sur la Sun Black FM et voilà, nous serons là. Ce soir, on reçoit un artiste. Il n'est pas seulement musicien, mais il est aussi poète. Mais bon, pour l'instant, on va laisser le temps de s'asseoir, de s'asseoir confortablement et de s'installer. On va revenir et en attendant, on va s'écouter une chanson de cet artiste. J'espère que vous allez adorer parce que ce n'est que le commencement. On s'écoute donc une de ses chansons. Je le présenterai juste après. Restez connectés surtout. Vous êtes avec la Mouankez.
Yeah, run track a road ranger, play that ball like a game changer. Umpteen hours, no days up, we about to move up like 10th graders. Putting our verbs on a low pay, running out of stock, homie, no day. Y'all burned up bad, charred and smoking, turn your light like ashtray. Ain't talking, yeah, I'm a good kid. Yeah, the way I talk, I'm a cool kid. Y'all know that we does it like whoa kid, no stupid. Yeah, I lay a bit down like cemetery. Everything I do so voluntary. No adversaries could be advice to reason, man. I make 'em lose breath like pulmonary. Beat so crazy, Jim Carrey, blade straight bars penitentiary. That thing y'all talking, nothing to me. I'm above that shit like a space army. Y'all hearing me? Don't care if you can't feel me. I'm a beast on the beat, and I serve these keys like Halloween trees. Same time, shit is so scary. Ain't nobody got time for that. So what y'all said before I lace the track on a quick D sample, tighten that. Now I'm on that red or Google that. Yeah, ain't nobody got time for that. So what y'all said before I lace the track on a quick D sample, tighten that. Now I'm on that red or Google that. Yeah.
Infinite bars ready to be written with that gold ink, homie. I always stay committed. Ain't nobody know a thing, but they about to get it. Ain't nobody know a thing, but they about to get it. I got infinite bars ready to be written with that gold ink, homie. I always stay committed. Ain't nobody know a thing, but they about to get it. Ain't nobody know a thing, but they about to get it.
You raising the stocks, you raising the bar. Moving too fast like racing the car. Get your mind smoked like Cuban cigars. Fellow wise man, yeah, I came from afar. Y'all fall on a star. Make y'all wanna grab book shit. Put your fella through school shit. Nah, not that booty clap type shit. That blue shit. Yeah, y'all wanted that good rap. Can you feel that? Good shit there, y'all bury that. Grey Robin should know I got that Farrakhan in my aura. Raging up like my diva. Drop that beat, nigga, minds blow up. They open like the Pandora. Now breathe that, who'll bring it back? Underground play be where it's at. That radio play be so whack. Nah, I'm just saying, ain't trying to brag. We roll rounds, long lines, bad good times and worse times. Roll deep shit about hard times and raise hell like war times. Y'all pay no mind, don't want it. Try so hard, y'all still don't get it. It's all going down, my team won't let it. Narrow it down with that mic or MIDI. I pull a couple bars, shut it down, and like a light. Y'all stun like what I look like. Got cool earth flow on a good night. Thought so raw, K-Man food like.
What's up, people? This is Miss Lena, and you're listening to Sun Black FM. You want to shine your life? Listen to Sun Black FM.
La Sun Black FM vous invite à la découverte des talents africains avec son émission Sun Kiff Talent. Retrouvez-nous 2 fois par mois, les mercredis à partir de 21h. Une émission culturelle présentée par Moankes.
Vous êtes de retour sur la Sun Black FM avec la Moankes. Alors, vous étiez à l'écoute de cette chanson de Juwan Simpson. C'est lui l'artiste du moment, l'artiste de ce soir. Et le titre, c'était simplement Infinite Bass of Vein. On va encore s'écouter de Juwan. Et temps pour nous de nous asseoir. N'oubliez pas, vous pouvez laisser un commentaire sur notre page Facebook Sun Black FM si vous voulez encourager l'artiste, si vous avez une question à poser. Ce soir, on est là pour découvrir, mais aussi pour encourager. N'hésitez donc pas. Faites un tour sur la Sun Black FM et pourquoi pas aimer notre page et partager entre amis. Alors on va revenir dans un petit instant. On va s'écouter encore un petit bout de Juwan et on va commencer l'entrevue. J'espère que vous êtes tous prêts. Alors actuellement, on va s'écouter Juwan dans le titre Feel Good. On feel good ce soir parce qu'on avait Juwan. Ok, on se reprend juste derrière. À tout de suite.
So damn good you wanna put it in a song, paint it on a wall, or write it into poetry. It got you coming like a miracle epiphany. It feel good like unsafe sex, an area next to death where the thrill is so hard. Now look another good day, so watch me kick and push to the melodies of Lupe, feeling all Cameroonian born. My style so erratic, ecstatic, and I don't even use prosthetics. No cosmetic on my art, but I'm still so enhanced like CRN. I'm getting better year by year, and by the year's end I'll be in your top 5 up and coming MCs, no lie. We feeling better than a good vibe. We like the new hippie kids with a naughty and a new tribe. Yeah, feel good, don't it? Feel good, don't it? Feel good, don't it? Feel good. Put your hands in the air You feeling the vibe, put your hands in the air. You feeling the vibe and just clap one time. If you feeling alive and just clap one time. If you feeling alive. Now I philosophize and words make me feel good. A couple letters like Jay put me in the mood, had me moonwalking, trying to do the running, man. I'm on a cloud like a Reddit fan, feeling connected to the crowd. And every single whisper in my head so loud, give me split personalities. I'm schizophrenic and I love it. The music is a therapy to me, so I put no one above it. Now I'll fly beneath it. My poetry's top notch, like good food, a cigar, dry scotch. I flow with the pro, it's Chicago. My style got class like school tomorrow. Vision is in the mind, and I read too many books to be blind. Like a test, how I pass finished lines. And you ain't gotta worry, you can make it on your own. Feel good when you far away from home. Feel good, yeah. Feel good, don't it? Feel good, don't it? Feel good, don't it? Feel good. Put your hands in the air. You feeling the vibe? Put your hands in the air. You feeling the vibe and just clap one time. If you feeling alive and just clap one time. If you feeling alive. Yeah, feel good, don't it? Feel good, don't it? Feel good, don't it? Feel good. Put your hands in the air. You feeling the vibe? Put your hands in the air. You feeling the vibe and just clap one time. If you feeling alive and just clap one time. If you feeling alive.
La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles.
Nous sommes de retour et comme je l'annonçais, nous sommes avec Juwan Simmons. Déjà une petite précision, il parle en anglais mais je poserai les questions en français. Et il nous vient du Cameroun mais actuellement il se trouve en Suède. Alors il est connecté depuis la Suède. Bonsoir Juwan.
Good evening, how are you, Montez?
Ça va et toi, comment tu vas?
I'm great, I'm happy to be on the show tonight.
Alors là tu es connecté depuis la Suède, c'est ça?
Yeah, from all the way from Sweden.
Dans quelle ville?
Gothenburg.
Ok. Alors, merci d'avoir accepté l'invitation sur la scène Black FM, malgré l'emploi du temps chargé. Hein? Merci beaucoup.
I am honored, very honored.
Alors, on est content de t'avoir ce soir. Et du coup, tu es un artiste qui est connu, donc disons que tu es connu dans ta zone là-bas en Suède et consomme, mais je suis pas sûre que beaucoup te connaissent. Donc, du coup, il y a beaucoup de questions qui sont là, curieuses de savoir qui tu es. Est-ce que tu peux nous parler de toi en bref, nous dire qui tu es?
Basically, of course, I'm Cameroonian.
Yeah.
From the seaside city of Lindbergh.
Mm-hmm.
I came to Sweden to study, and I've been doing music for a while, and I kind of just got into the culture like that. That's pretty much a summary of me.
Ok. Alors, tu es venu en Suède pour étudier. Qu'est-ce que tu étudies?
Business marketing.
Ok. Et la musique et toi, ça date de quand? En fait, je ne sais pas si je dois trop dire la musique parce que tu es musicien, mais aussi tu es poète. Alors déjà, c'est quoi? Tu es d'abord poète, ensuite musicien, ou tu es les deux en même temps ou...
It's a funny story. I started with gospel music when I was younger.
La musique gospel?
Oui. When I was younger, and then when I became older, I lost my voice, so I started writing poetry. And then from poetry, I got into hip hop, and then so poetry came first, sort of.
Alors maintenant, est-ce que ta musique, tu écris pour chanter ou tu as la poésie à part et la musique à part? Ou alors ce que tu chantes, c'est ta poésie?
Most times, I write most of my music in poetry form, and I still do poetry on the side as a separate art. but well, I guess you could say that the poetry influences the way I write my music. I think so. I try to anyway.
Ok. Et vu que tu écris, est-ce que tu écris juste pour toi ou aussi il y a des artistes qui te sollicitent pour que tu écris pour eux?
Actually, I write for a few friends of mine, a few people I work with. Like, for example, like at the studio in Gothenburg, I have a few friends right now. It's called Tough Studios, and they're like, it used to be one of Sweden's bigger studios back in the day, and I have a few friends there, and we're gonna start writing a couple of songs together. So I write for me most of the time, but I also write for people who need it.
Ok, parlons donc de l'écriture, de la poésie. Je crois que tu as participé à un concours, tu as été finaliste et tu as été le gagnant, c'est bien ça?
Oui.
Est-ce que tu peux un peu nous donner 2-3 mots, parce malheureusement on ne te connaissait pas en ce moment, mais on est curieux de savoir c'était quoi ce concours?
Well, it was first there was the original poetry contest in Sweden. Like si on peut dire au Cameroun concours régional. Yeah, so there was that at first, and then I won the original contest, and then there was a national final, donc à la finale nationale, quoi. Et
à la finale nationale, il y avait combien de candidats?
Il y avait 64.
Wow! Oula! Ok! 64 candidats et tu étais le gagnant.
En fait, j'ai gagné les régionales, I won the regionals.
Ok.
And then at the nationals, I came third place.
Ok. Ah, troisième, c'est pas mal, hein. Mais sinon, quand tu as gagné ce concours régional, qu'est-ce qui t'a marqué, enfin, qu'est-ce qui a marqué des autres? Pourquoi toi, tu as été le finaliste? Pourquoi toi, tu as gagné? Pourquoi pas les autres? Qu'est-ce qu'il y avait en plus dans ce que toi, tu écrivais?
I'm not too sure, but what I can say is it was the first time I participated in a poetry contest. I had done poetry before, performed just for the fun of it. But it was the first time I performed at a contest like that. So I'm not sure why I won, but I guess the people sort of thought that my poetry was sincere.
Ok, en parlant de cette poésie, tu parlais de quoi?
There was a little bit of everything. There was family, there was philosophy, there was romance. So I try to touch as many aspects of human existence as possible.
Ok. En tout cas, j'aimerais bien savoir, en général, tu écris pour du fun ou tu écris pour un message particulier?
Actually, if I wrote for fun, I think I would have done a lot of party, commercial type music, but I don't. I feel like I have something. I feel like I write for a purpose. Like I always want to tell people something with every song I write.
Alors, est-ce que tu as un but précis ou chaque poésie a un but, ou alors en général disons que par exemple tu es militant de l'amour, tu écris toujours sur l'amour, ou tu as vraiment pas de but précis, c'est-à-dire chaque poésie a son but?
Well, pretty much I'll say that I write to encourage people to become better versions of themselves. Like I write what I would like to call introspective poetry, so it's always sort of it's like a reflection in the mirror, looking at yourself from the other side of it.
Et pourquoi tu veux encourager ces personnes? Tu penses que on a besoin de ça? Pourquoi forcément pour encourager? D'où te vient cela?
Well, firstly, because like in every thing I write, music or poetry, there is always an underlying tone or other Afrocentrism. So it's always in a certain way directed toward or influenced by my African background. So as an African, I feel that we, considering the position we have in the world, the stereotypes and everything, I believe that we owe it to ourselves and to the children, to the people coming after us, to become better people or to become the best versions of ourselves as we can be. So that's what I try to do with the music I make. I try to remind people of what we need to become so that the people who come after us can have a better life than we did.
Ok, tu penses qu'on n'a pas notre vie, elle n'est pas bonne actuellement, quoi?
No, not that, not at all. Come on, like we probably have the best life, if you ask me, in the world, but it's more than just that. It's about education. It's about international relations. It's about global standing. The way races relate to each other in every part of it. So it's not just about in Cameroon or in Nigeria or in Uganda. It's about the way people react to you if you move from one country to another. So I sort of try to build our own egos and tell people that they need to work on the image they live in the world, wherever they go. That's sort of it.
Ok. Alors là, pour l'instant, on va faire une pause musicale. Le temps pour nous de nous écouter une de tes chansons de ton dernier album. Le titre, c'est Creed. Je pense que enfin, c'est comme l'intro de ton album, c'est bien ça?
Yeah, it is the introduction of my album.
Ok.
Well,
Donc,
it is the song after the introduction, but it is also an introduction to the album.
ok. Donc on va revenir et quand on reviendra, on va parler du côté musique. Tu vas nous raconter ton histoire avec la musique. Tu vas nous dire aussi un peu sur ton album, surtout ton dernier album. Donc on va se prendre derrière. Pour tous ceux qui sont toujours là avec nous, n'oubliez pas, vous pouvez laisser un commentaire sur notre page Facebook Sun Black FM. On se reprend juste derrière. À tout de suite.
Burn our fire with the intensity of 1,000 suns, crackling coals like the bang of 1,000 guns, spanning 10,000 years, consuming the dark of fear, in the furnace of life's hell, all resentment, all regret. In darkness we are light, in despair we are hope, in anger we are reason, in frustration we are patience. We are the dreamers, sometimes unachievers, yet undying and immortal believers in what has been and what is yet to come. When all is lost and none is left, all that there is us. We are the keepers and we are hope, known by many a name and no name at all. All we have ever been and will be when tomorrow is near is what we are today. See us little but forget us not. We are the ring of blue fire. 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 Ring of blue fire.
La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles. La Sun Black FM vous invite à la découverte des talents africains avec son émission Sun Kiff Talent. Retrouvez-nous 2 fois par mois, les mercredis à partir de 21h. Une émission culturelle présentée par Moankes.
You don't know what love is till you've learned the meaning of the blues, till you've loved the love you've had to lose. You don't know what love is.
Met her alone as I paddled with a Santa God. Had me on point like a Berber in a jello bar, or a Logi in a purple dashiki. Grounded and smart, drilling dust like a pixie. Speaking in verse words or tribal poetry. Eloquent a tongue like the Yoruba and Bayangi. Bantu daughter like no other. Nothing come before, she was it like no one coming after. We navigated to her temple of the thirsty. Goddess poured rain till a flood came to quench me. How she teased me, then she pleased me. She said pledge me allegiance, never leave me. Promise that I break, promise I die. I is dry, L is ISIS. My cardiac crisis, caught up in the cloud, psychic drifty. Moonbeam shine upon the spot where her feet be.
Tell me why I wrote this song for you. Now tell me why I wrote this song for you. Now tell me why I wrote this song for you, not tell me why. I wrote this song for you, this song for you.
Standing at the edge of a cliff with my hand on her hip, empty head like a glass giving last sips, mindless thought freezing. I can't think for no real reason, and she's inert like she not breathing. And so we stare eye to eye, speaking volumes in silence. Hush, no words could describe this bliss, no ease. Pacing in the presence of personified grace, so I wrote this piece. Kings came before, but none came with the power to make it through the war that you're waging. I said, my lady, put your weapons down. This is peace that we make love. Let this planet be the baby we creating. She lugged me in a hug, overwhelming like a subtle drug. Water down her cheeks, turn the carpet to a holy rug. Cloudy emotions, sleepy hollow in a dreamy fog. Bone a berry lady, redefining you this catalog.
I wrote this song for you, not tell me why. I wrote this song for you, not tell me why. I wrote this song for you, not tell me why. I wrote this song for you, this song for you. I said I wrote it for you, baby.
De retour, et à l'instant on écoutait le titre Natondiwa de Juwon. Juste un petit coucou à Marc depuis Douala et DJ Barracuda depuis France, Paris qui nous écoute. Voilà, nous sommes de retour avec Juwon. Juwon, et tu as déjà 3 albums, Red and Blue Pills, c'est ça le premier?
Yes, that is.
Deuxième c'est Ride on Red Horse.
Yep, Ride on the Red Horse, yeah.
Et ce dernier que nous sommes en train d'écouter, Ring on Blue Fire.
The Ring of Blue Fire, yes.
Bon, qu'est-ce que tu as d'abord avec les couleurs pour commencer?
Firstly, I believe that colors have a language of their own, like they tell a story.
Okay.
So with every color I choose, the message behind that color influences the tone or the topics in that album.
Ok, ça veut donc dire que chaque album a une histoire?
Sort of.
Ok, bon, si tu commençais par Red and Blue Pills, c'est quoi en français? C'est rouge et bleu médicament ou quoi? C'est quoi que c'est ça?
Yeah, I think it would be rouge et bleu pilule ou un truc comme ça.
Okay.
Pretty much. But the idea was the Red and Blue Pill was when I wrote it. It was the first musical EP I made.
Mm-hmm.
So the idea was that it was making a choice, because like the full title of the album was Red and Blue Pill Gemini. Mm-hmm. So Gemini come dans les signes zodiaques.
Mm-hmm.
So it's
tu vas chercher loin, toi.
No, I think far sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah. So Gemini is like the twins, les jumeaux.
Mm-hmm.
So it was about the choice I had to make as an artist between doing two things, between being a commercial artist who was doing music for the fame and the money of it, or being an artist who was just doing what I want to do because I like what I do and not caring what happens after, just putting my message out there and doing what I like to do. Okay. So that was the choice I had to make.
Mm-hmm. Et le second album?
And the second one was
Ride on Red Horse, c'est-à-dire
Ride on the Red Horse.
Conduire, on veut dire sur un cheval rouge.
Cheval rouge.
Cheval rouge, ça alors. Okay.
The title of that album was actually influenced by how do I put it? It will sound weird, but it is true. But because it was the reason why I did not promote the album very much was because it was pretty depressive. C'était un peu dépressif, quoi.
Ok, donc c'était dépressif juste l'album ou bien toi-même tu étais dépressif à cette époque?
A little bit of both, because I was into a lot of political things at the time, and I was like the situation felt grim around me. So the Right on the Right was the theme is from the Bible, from the last book, Revelation. So the red horse is, I think in the Bible, it's the horse that brings war. C'est le cheval qui apporte la guerre. So the Right on the Red Horse was a dark album. It was depressive. It was painful. It was serious.
Ok, donc maintenant ça va, tu vas bien là. Il faut nous rassurer que tu vas bien.
Yeah, I'm fine. Of course, I'm good. I'm alright. I'm doing fine.
Ok, bon maintenant on va au dernier album, Ring of Blue Fire. Déjà le feu qui est bleu.
The Ring of Blue Fire. So blue is the color of hope, as opposed to red, which is the color of anger and war. So blue is the color of hope. So the Ring of Blue Fire is basically the ring is a group of people, friends, family, anybody, just a random crowd of people who get together. The fire represents a determination, and then blue is for hope. So the Ring of Blue Fire is a group of people who are hopeful together and are determined to achieve a certain goal.
Ok, et alors tu es dans ce groupe de personnes qui ont de l'espoir, tu as déjà un groupe à toi?
Anybody can, and that's the good thing about this. Anybody can be. It's not a real group. It's an idea. So anybody can be part of the idea.
Ok. Alors ton dernier album, ça date de juin, c'est bien ça?
Yep.
Et ça a jusqu'à 19 titres.
Oui.
Oula, c'est difficile de voir 19 titres encore de nos jours. C'est combien de temps ça t'a pris pour sortir ça?
À peu près 2 ans.
Oh, wow, 2 ans.
Yep.
Et je vois qu'il y a beaucoup de collaborations. Tu as fait beaucoup de featuring dans ton album.
Yep.
Et pourquoi beaucoup de collaborations?
Actually, I did not do as many collaborations as I should have done because I'm not good with working with artists that I don't know. Because I believe that the artists I work with maybe it's not a good thing, but I believe that they have to support the ideas that I believe in a way. So all the featurings on the album were from artists that are from my circle.
Ok, mais pourquoi t'as pas fait des sons à toi tout seul, sans collaboration? Parce que la majeure partie de tes chansons, c'est avec tu fais des featuring.
Yeah, because when I did all those songs, we were in the studio, and there was always a lot of contribution from the other people I work with. So it was only fair that since we were always together, they're doing recording and doing the mixing and everything. Sometimes they had ideas that I thought it would make sense if they actually put these ideas into the song. I didn't want to take these ideas from them.
Ok. Et dans cet album, il y a une seule chanson qui rappelle quand même le Cameroun, dans le titre Natom Diwa. Pourquoi cette chanson?
First of all, my grandma, elle est Bakweri, et tous les Camerounais savent que Bakweri et Douala, ils ont à peu près le même langage. So the first time I wrote the song Natom Diwa, it was not for this. It was not for this instrumental. So it was a whole other song, and then one of the guys who produces my instrumentals, he made this, and then I heard it, and then I actually changed the entire song because I wanted, as much as I was making an album, a hip hop album. The thing I want to do most is that I wish that the people from where I'm from Cameroon, can connect to my music, but I'm not an Afro-pop artist, so it's hard for people, especially in this new age of African music, where there was an Afro.
Yeah, there's Afro.
Boom.
Yes.
Yeah. So since I cannot do Afropop music, or I haven't done Afropop music, I tried to create a song where I could sort of blend in my culture into that style, and Nathan Dewa was the perfect fit.
Ok, so quand tu dis Nathan Dewa, I wrote this song for you, donc j'ai écrit ce son pour toi. Toi, ça représente ta culture que tu as laissée, c'est bien ça?
Exactly. So of course it sounds like a love song that I wrote for a girl.
On sait jamais, hein? C'est jamais.
Yeah, but the thing is, the girl in the song is where I'm from. It's my country, it's my culture. So I mean, it's sort of a like je romantise un peu mon pays, if I can say that.
Tu romantises ton pays. Ça, c'est fort. En tout cas, j'espère que ton pays te romantisera aussi, en tout cas. Ça,
I hope so.
Tu romantises ton pays, ok. En tout cas, c'est bien de penser à son pays comme ça. On va revenir encore, on va s'écouter une chanson que moi j'aime particulièrement, une chanson de Future avec Anna Notlin. C'est une quoi, elle est suédoise aussi?
Oui. She's Swedish.
Ok. Donc on va revenir, on va parler de ton côté justement camerounais, africain, que tu fais pas afropop, mais comment tu fais pour te délier de tout ça. Bon, on va on va se prendre juste après. En attendant, on va s'écouter cette belle mélodie que j'adore. À tout de suite.
When the night has come to an end and the light falls on your eyes, you see bright. We'll be holding on, riding everyone, 'cause we are the future. We are the future.
Yeah, once upon a time, I wanna tell a story, not a fairy tale, but the struggle of a generation. We fallen in an aberration. I'm just figuratively speaking, but numbers don't listen. So money is in the hands of the people that's quiet. The ones that's talking are only quite frontin'. Tell by the image on your TV boxes. The bank owners, real power access. Studying old books to write a new future. Reading all the lies of dead and gone teachers. Hope is in the heart, in the head lies destiny. I pray that my fears don't cardiac arrest me. If like Joe, my tribulations tempt me. Let me pull through till you find me all worthy. Putting me in charge of the academic treasury. A high priest like the prophets before me. I made a promise to the soul of Cameroon. I will go into the world and become a great wind like the monsoons. And I will never stop blowing. No sex fun, you can tell I be glowing. Aurora Borealis, poetic Hippocrates. Sail around the world like Sir Drake Francis. Looking for Atlantis, I find it in my heart. I put it in a song and I play it from the start.
Has come to an end and the light falls on your eyes, you see bright. We'll be holding on, riding everyone, 'cause we are the future. We are the future.
growing, I see her body changing. Optimism tall like huge brass mountains. Craving new time, we can feed the young kids on the milk and the honey that flows, so they grow till they blow up like the World Trade Center. Collateral damage left front, back and center. The ones on the right on the Pegasus wings. A roof to be offered in the melody we sing and bling like stones in the diadem of pharaohs. A king of tomorrow when the womb caused sorrows today. So we raise a glass for the mothers to become in their bodies of the makings of the ones. So I play my part, motivated to the mind of the followers, hoping the frustration ain't dangerous. Look at everything greed made us do. Tomorrow is a change that is offered to you as a gift. Go ahead and paradigm shift, putting good intentions in the lift. Elevate ambition of the righteous, not about religion. The Christ of today won't be born by a virgin. We are lost, we're sick in what we become. Like tree roots, hold on to the lands you were from, till we go green like eco-friendly pasture. Tell the children they are the future.
Alors j'espère que vous êtes toujours des nôtres sur SN Black FM dans cette émission qui découvre ce soir Juwan Simmons qui se trouve actuellement du côté de la Suède. Alors Juwan, quand on parle de tes featuring, il y a beaucoup de Suédois dans ton album. Tu fais pas de featuring avec des artistes qui sont hors de la Suède par exemple?
I've thought about it, but I've never had a chance to do one yet. Because of the way I work.
Ok. Tu as dit la Côte d'Ivoire, ça peut te rappeler de ta culture, de ton origine. Est-ce que tu as donc une collaboration, disons comme ça, avec un artiste camerounais?
Actually, right now I have two Cameroonian labels that I'm affiliated with. We have ideas of future projects to do together, but we haven't done any yet. The first is SCM Records from Yaoundé, and the second one is how do you call it? Black Triangle from Boya. So they're people I have a connection with. We share a lot of ideas together. The head of SCM Records is Richard Owane. And at Black Triangle you have Manny Williams. So we have we have a lot in common, and we talk. And usually I even when I work on these projects, the ones, even though they're not Afro pop, I still talk to them and I get their points of view, and so we have a give and take kind of feedback, because whatever I do, I try to at least get the opinions of people I'm close to.
Ok, mais avec un artiste proprement dit du Cameroun, par exemple, t'as pas de contact?
I have in Black Triangle there was Ojanari. I have a great contact with him. We have a lot in common, but we just haven't found that one project yet that we will do together.
Ok. Mais est-ce que tu écoutes quand même du rap ou du hip-hop camerounais, de la musique urbaine maintenant au Cameroun?
Of course I do.
Ah, et t'as des favoris?
If you ask me, firstly, I would say Gasha.
Ok, oui, Gasha.
I love Gasha.
Ah, you love Gasha.
Yeah, really, she's I mean, when it comes to like Cameroonian pop, Afro pop, she is a breath of fresh air. I love her style. I love Jovi. He's incredibly talented. He's probably the most creative Cameroonian artist I know. I mean, like, I don't even compare myself to him. That's how good I think he is. And then there is Magasco.
Yeah.
I love Magasco.
Okay.
No, I mean, the thing is, I'm not a fan of the overly popular music.
Mhm.
I mean, they're popular, but they're popular because they're that good. They have that thing. So yeah, those are probably my three, and there is Cine.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah,
Oui.
I like.
Okay.
Those are my top 4 artists.
Donc, si on va dans ta liste personnelle, on retrouvera sûrement ces musiciens que tu viens de citer.
Yeah, you will see Cine, you will see Magasco, you will see Gasha, and you will see Jomi.
Et je suis... Oui?
And then you will see one song from Stanley Anna.
Why just one song? Pourquoi juste un son et lequel?
It's Hampere because it's Hampere. Like I respect him and I respect the work he puts out, and I think he works incredibly hard. But from all these songs, that one is just the one song that I can easily relate to.
Ok, mais bon, quand tu as cité Gasha, Jovi, Magasco, c'est pas juste un son que tu aimes en général la chanson, c'est ça?
Yeah, it's them in general, like the way, like their art form. I like it.
Ok, et si on te dirait comme ça, avec qui aimerais-tu faire un featuring?
Off the top of my head right now, I would say Gasha.
Gasha?
Yeah.
Wow.
and Jovi.
Ok, ça c'est bien, ça c'est cool. Mais sinon, comment vois-tu la musique urbaine camerounaise de maintenant? Vu que toi, ton style, tu fais aussi du hip-hop, mais tu n'es pas trop dans le afro-pop.
Yeah.
Tu es resté vraiment dans le pur hip-hop. Comment tu vois cette évolution de la musique urbaine camerounaise?
The way I say it, I actually wish that I was part of that from the start. Because I don't want to change my style of music now to try to ride the wave, and because I think I don't want to use any cheap shortcuts, because what they're doing now is simply amazing. Like, it is so amazing. I feel I wish I was a part of that from the start. I mean, because like now, I think like in basically about 3 or 4 years, Cameroon urban music has changed so much. Like, it has jumped about 10 years in only 4 years. Like, there is so much going on, and right now a lot of artists are getting a chance that they didn't have before. Because I feel people try to conform to the Western style of music. And I mean, it doesn't really work out when you're not from that culture.
Mais je pense que tu peux toujours, si tu veux, tu peux te trouver des contacts. Tu n'étais pas là au début, mais c'est pas bien grave. Tu peux toujours les rejoindre. Pourquoi pas? T'as pas le fait que tu es là-bas, déjà là-bas en Suède. Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres Camerounais comme toi qui font du hip-hop?
Yeah, there is a group called Panatos. I think they have 2 Cameroonians in that group. They're based in Stockholm, and yeah, they're pretty famous. The group is pretty famous. Then there was Lynx.
Mais quand tu dis célèbre, c'est-à-dire célèbre seulement en Suède ou un peu partout?
In Sweden, en Suède.
Voilà, donc tu aimerais pas justement sortir de la Suède, genre on écoute du Juon en France, on écoute du Juon au Cameroun?
Well, that's pretty much why I chose to do music in English and not Swedish. So, because like now, I have a few listeners in other countries. I have a few listeners in the US. I have listeners in the UK, in China. So I think English is pretty much universal. And since I feel like I have this message I want to put out in whatever way possible, I can only do my music in English because I want as many people to hear as possible. Of course, if I put it out in Pidgin English or in Franc Anglais, it will reach a lot of Africans or a lot of Cameroonians. Yes, but still, I want a bigger crowd than that. Not because of the crowd, but because of.
Attends, mais qu'est-ce que tu penses que si tu chantes en franc anglais, tu n'auras pas une popularité plus forte que ça?
No, not that. The thing is, I cannot do it, so I don't want to try to do something that.
Ok, tu es pas trop dans ça, quoi.
Yeah, I can speak Pidgin English, of course, but I don't know if I can do music in Pidgin English. So it's kind of not the same thing. So I don't want to try something that I'm not sure about just because I want to become popular. I would not do that.
Ok. Là, on a reçu 2 messages de Mac. Lui, je l'ai salué tout à l'heure, il est à Douala. Il dit big up au Killer. En fait, ils ont un groupe d'artistes d'Africains qu'ils appellent le African Killer. Il y a ça regorge de plein d'artistes africains, donc si jamais ça t'intéresse, on ne sait jamais, hein. Tu vois, ton côté suédois peut un peu se diriger vers là et sortir, quoi. En fait, il dit big up à J1 Simpson depuis le 237 et tu dis yeah, big up J1 in action. Waouh, il a même pas l'air en anglais. Tu vois que tu es in action, tu es dehors ce soir.
I mean, then I'll say a big up to Killer Family and thank you.
Yeah! En tout cas, il y a un autre killer qui est là. Lui, c'est Bax Blunt. Lui aussi, c'est un rappeur. Et il se présente déjà. Donc, il s'est présenté qu'il est Bax Blunt. Il dit tous derrière le killer J1 Simpson sur la scène Black FM avec la -15 plus 237. Yeah!
Merci à vous, frère, équipe 237.
Voilà, donc t'as intérêt à faire beaucoup plus parler de toi, pas qu'en Suède, quoi. Il y a déjà la Killer Family qui est derrière toi.
I'll try, I'll do my best, I promise.
Ok, et justement, tes mélodies, parce que j'ai constaté que tu as des mélodies un peu particulières. C'est toi qui écris tes textes, mais tes mélodies, comment, c'est toi qui les confectionnes aussi?
Usually, I choose them myself. I choose. I go in the studio. Sometimes we work and they just come out of nowhere. But usually, I tell the people the people I work with, because my producer, Baki, and I have another producer. He's from Sweden, and then I have another producer, Quick D. He lives in Sweden, but he's from Russia. And they kind of know the kind of music I like. So, and sometimes I tell them what I want. So, I mean, I guess every artist has their own sound. Well, like, for example, if you take any artist of your choice, say Ex Malia, for example, they have their sound. So, the guys I work with, they know my sound. So when I want to work on a new song, they already know what I'm going for. And I like to use a lot of samples from Nina Simone and from the 80s and 60s and stuff like that.
Ok. Et la musique pour toi, la poésie, c'est juste encore une passion ou c'est déjà, c'est-à-dire à combien de pourcentage es-tu investi dans cela? C'est juste une passion que tu aimes bien faire ou tu pousses vraiment vers le haut?
It started out as a passion, but now it's becoming a thing I really want to become.
Donc pour l'instant, tu n'es pas encore un artiste à 100%, c'est-à-dire que tu ne vis pas encore de ça, c'est pas que ça que tu fais toute ta vie, quoi. Tu fais autre chose en parallèle.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, sometimes I could live off it for a while, but it's not what I'm doing. I work, I study, so I work too. Yeah, and I do music, so I think as time goes on, I become more what I want to become, and it's a thing I would like to be full time, but at the same time, I have to live. So until I get there, I cannot forget about other things. But yeah, I'm not there 100%, but I'm working toward that.
Alors j'ai dit you become more you want to become. Alors qu'est-ce que tu veux devenir?
Good question. I'm not sure.
Non, mais comment t'es pas sûr? Mais tu dis tu es en train d'aller déjà vers ce sens-là, mais tu sais pas vers quoi tu tends.
Like the thing is, I started doing music publicly before I started doing poetry publicly. And basically, what I realized was that the thing I want to do more is to be able to tell people the things I want to say. And sometimes people don't get the message I want to put out in a song. But since sometimes my poetry is also the same text I use for my music, when I perform these same texts during a poetry session and people actually listen, then they actually get the point. So what I want to do is basically tell people a lot of things that I think they should hear. I don't want to be a leader or a preacher, but I just feel like I have things that I should put out there, messages. And I think I have opinions. and I want to put out those opinions, and I think I try to find a way to do that. So that's what music and poetry is to me. I'm not really concerned with becoming a famous artist. I'm more concerned with making sure that what I'm saying is being heard.
Et jusqu'à présent, tu penses que tu as passé tes messages?
Not as much as I would love to.
Ok.
So I still have a lot of work to do.
Ah, en tout cas, on te souhaite beaucoup de courage.
Thank you.
On va se faire une dernière pause musicale, on va revenir et cette fois-ci, ça sera pour parler de toi. On jette l'artiste de côté, on jette le poète de côté, mais on se concentre sur toi et toi, tu vas nous dire un peu ce que tu aimes faire en dehors de la musique et de la poésie. Donc, pour ceux qui sont encore là, faites comme la Killa Family qui est toujours en pause. On se prend juste après cette chanson et on va s'écouter Journey of the Maggie. Bon, ça, tu vas aussi un peu m'expliquer, hein, parce que... On se prend tout de suite.
Song goes out to you and you and you, who's in the same place as me, right here, right now. Let's get it.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
I've been all around the world, yo.
I searched to find the love within. I guess you wonder where I've been.
I've been lost in my mind, yo.
I searched to find the love within.
Yeah, the guru said the human mind is great power, so we the sons of God. So I try to walk on water. What's the outcome? I fail, still afford to laugh about it, then try it all again till I get it. You get it? Can never drown in the sorrow of my losses, so I'm swimming through my life, confident about tomorrow. And the matter is, I'm so inclined to go opposite, never fall in line with the people swimming opposite of me. I'd rather jump into ravines, take a risk, cause the beauty of life ain't what it seems to be. The sweetest treasures in the deepest dark waters. Captain Nemo with my noteless, stare the black pearl like the captains before us. We hoping every waters never waters off, wipe the waters off when the wait is over. And when the wait is over, we like the pilgrims on the new shore, hoping we find everything we came for.
Guess you wonder where I've been.
I've been all around the world, yo.
I searched to find the love within. I guess you wonder where I've been.
I've been lost in my mind, yo.
I searched to find the love within.
Okay, yeah, see, well, it gets deeper as you get across. Sink under the pressure of the cross that you carry to that ocean floor. But that you make it through is entirely your decision. Either dabble through or learn to shoot sharp with precision. Chasing the constellation, navigate to a dead end. Doing a backstroke, gotta get to where the trail ends. And fate bends in the presence of a master. So I'm trying to post-graduate and pass that. Dig my radar, I lost it. Following the stars on the dark night, like the dark night, pretty dark, right? Travel the world trying to find my lost mind, but it's always been here, so in a sense I just lost time. But time lost, gain experience. Hardcore game, I treat the players in my wisdom and benevolence. Until I reach the harbors like tsunamis do. Land you'll give me graces as I journey toward the beautiful.
Guess you wonder where I've been.
I've been all around the world, yo.
I searched to find the love within. I guess you wonder where I've been.
I've been lost in my mind, yo.
I searched to find the love within.
Don't be afraid to swim across the world's waters. Let us journey across space and time until we make it to the world's end. Yeah, dig it? to the advent of forever. Welcome to new beginnings, we're bitter like we ain't never. Fires and bright streaks light up the dark skies. I'm the voice of the creature, drowned by loud cries. Never taking a day off, show them just what we made of. See how they try to fight us, defending the people like us. Rage against machines, raising the hell of a scene.
Alors là, nous sommes de retour, on écoutait The Journey of the Magi. Et il m'a dit que c'est le voyage des rois mages. C'est bien ça, Juan?
Yeah, it is.
Ah! Et c'est combien de rois tu as? Parce que dans la Bible, il y a 3 rois. Et c'est ton voyage à toi ou c'est un voyage des rois mages en général?
It's my journey and basically everybody who is looking for something. That's why I didn't put 3. I didn't put any numbers. I just said Journey of the Magi. So it could be 1,000, it could be 10,000, it could be 1, it could be 2, it's anybody who has a dream they're looking for, something they're looking for.
Et toi, ton voyage, ça fait combien de jours? Tu vas faire 40 jours et 40 nuits ou tu as déjà dépassé?
J'ai dépassé depuis un moment.
Et tu... Ok. Et tu n'es pas encore arrivé, quoi?
Not yet, actually. I'm on my way. I hope so. I hope I'm not lost. I hope I'm not somewhere weird, but I'm working toward it.
Ok. Donc alors, qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Attends, on va du côté. Tu as dit Nathan Djoua, c'est pour le Cameroun. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu aimes dans ton pays? Si maintenant tu mets pied tu as dit tu es né à Limbe, c'est bien ça?
Oui.
Voilà. Si tu arrives à Limbe, qu'est-ce qui va te venir en tête? Qu'est-ce que tu vas vouloir faire en premier?
Ok. Firstly, poisson braisé.
Oh là là, tu as peur. Eh, non, ça va, je toussais. Oui. Alors, mais tu vas manger le poisson braisé simple, ce sera accompagné ou juste le poisson braisé?
Poisson braisé, une grenadine bien glacée.
Tu n'as pas peur que tes lèvres vont devenir rouges?
Non, ça laisse nous ça. I'm not really worried about that. Bobolo.
Ok.
Voilà.
Donc, je dirais que c'est ton plat préféré au Cameroun alors?
No, it's not that, but it's the thing I haven't had in a while.
Ah, ok. Et c'est donc quoi ton plat préféré?
Ew.
Héros. Ah, voilà. Comment? Très bien. Et vu que tes albums sont toujours liés à une couleur, ce serait quoi ta couleur préférée?
Actually, I have 3. Red, white, and black.
Donc, il manque un album avec white and black.
Yep.
Parce que là, tu as parlé du rouge, du bleu, mais il n'y a pas encore du blanc ni du noir.
Il y a aussi du pourpre. J'aime le pourpre.
Ah non, mais tu as dit 3 couleurs.
Ok, 3 couleurs, d'accord.
Ok. Mais alors, que tu es plutôt quel genre de mec, danseur, fêtard ou plutôt calme à la maison?
It depends. When I was younger, I was pretty much crazy fêtard type. But as I grow older, I become more introspect. I think more, and I dance less. Not because I don't want to. I just spend more time trying to do what I want to do than actually going out to do other things like comme fêter quoi. Donc je passe mon temps à penser.
Ah non, mais pourquoi?
I'm not too sure why. I really don't know. Je crois que je deviens vieux.
Ok. Faut pas vieillir trop vite. Tu as encore plein de choses à faire. Donc
I'm still very young. I'm very, very, very young. So there is no that will not happen.
Ah ok. Tu peux être très jeune, mais dans la tête, tu es comme qu'un monsieur de 50 ans. On sait jamais. Ok. Alors.
That happens.
Ok. Alors, tu as des projets futurs. Donc là, tu viens de sortir ton dernier album. Et tu as un album en vue ou un projet de poésie?
Yeah, I have a project. And the thing with the next project is that it will combine both music and poetry.
Wow.
Separate in the same project. So it would not be poetry on music. No, it would be poetry and music. So it'll be about 8 to 10 tracks. About 5 or 6 songs and 4 poems. And it will be very cultural and personal to me.
Ok, donc bon, je vais pas demander le titre déjà.
I don't know what it is. I don't know yet.
Ok, peut-être il y aura du blanc et du noir, qui sait.
I hope so, probably. Espérons.
Ok. Et est-ce que c'est possible de t'avoir sur scène hors de la Suède?
Yeah, pretty much. I've been thinking of. I've actually been invited to Germany and France before, but I couldn't go because of work and school situations. But now that I'm done with school and I have a few things to sort out, and I could pretty much do shows anywhere.
Ok. Et tu serais ouvert si par exemple quelqu'un te solliciterait pour un featuring?
Of course, like there is nothing I want more than to. I'm not the kind of artist who thinks that because I'm a certain kind of artist, I don't want to work with people. No, I actually try to work with as many people as I can. The only thing I want is that the people I work with share the same mentality I do.
Ok, même si c'est pas forcément du pur hip-hop.
Yeah, it doesn't matter what kind of music you're doing. As long as we share the same ideas, that's all I look for.
Ok. Et alors, tu nous laisses tes coordonnées aux auditeurs. Il y a Killer Family qui est à l'écoute, quand on ne sait jamais, il y a des rappeurs derrière qui pourraient vouloir te contacter. Alors, où te trouver?
Facebook, Juwan Simmons. Twitter, Juwan Simmons. Email, juwan.simmons@gmail.com. Gmail.com.
Non, ouais. Arrobas, c'est à quel niveau?
Juwan.simmons@gmail.com.
Ok, voilà.
Or juwansimmons@juwansimmons.com. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Ok, alors sur une page de Twitter, de
yeah, Twitter, Facebook, and if you want to listen, you can download the albums online. You can if you have iTunes, Spotify, Bandcamp, you can get the albums there. And YouTube, you can watch videos on YouTube and Vimeo. That's.
Mais sur YouTube, t'as pas beaucoup de vidéos là-bas. Par contre, tu t'as pas envie de faire plus ou tu restes plus en audio?
I'm working on that. I'm working on more videos actually. I think I should increase my YouTube presence, so I'm working on that.
Ok. En tout cas, j'espère que maintenant tout le monde est ok. Donc, tu as dit sur YouTube, on te trouve, Spotify, on peut télécharger, c'est bien. C'est bien.
Oui.
Ok.
SoundCloud aussi, oui.
Ah, ok. SoundCloud, c'est très bien. Donc, on va terminer là, mais avant, tu auras un mot pour la fin.
I have a word?
Pour ceux qui t'écoutent, tu aurais un mot. Il y a des gens qui sont derrière.
Okay.
Tu pourrais avoir un conseil à donner pour quelqu'un qui aimerait faire dans la même voie que toi, par exemple.
I mean, the only thing I'll say is that as an artist, I think whenever I do a song, I think about the people who listen to my music, but not just the people in my age, but also kids. Because I grew up listening to a certain kind of music, and the music I listened to when I was a kid influenced the way I lived my life. So,
et tu écoutais quel genre de musique étant enfant?
I mean, like a lot of songs from.
Juste un exemple.
For DMX.
Okay.
Copo. So all those songs influence the way you live. And so, and what I want to ask anybody who is listening is, you have to be socially responsible. Il faut être socialement responsable. And you have to be aware of the fact that everything you say, I mean, it could be a song for just one song you're doing for fun, but when you put that song out online, it belongs to the world, and anybody can hear it, and that could change somebody's life. So whenever you do a song, and you're gonna put it out there, make sure that you put the best of you on that song, and let it be something that you could represent in the future. Let it not be something that would make you ashamed or feel bad about ever doing it. That's how I feel.
Donc en gros tu dis quand tu sors une chanson il faut que ce soit une chanson qui marque quoi, que ce soit marquer un enfant ou marquer une grande personne, ne avoir rien à te reprocher.
Exactly, and you should be able to stand behind your message. Donc si tu sors une chanson avec un message, il faut pouvoir défendre ton message dans 50 ans. When you're a parent with kids, make sure that you want your own kids to listen to that song you just did.
Donc toi tu es prêt de défendre même dans 10 ans, dans 100 ans, tu es prêt?
I hope so. I hope so.
Ok, en tout cas c'était vraiment un plaisir de t'avoir sur ce plateau.
It was a pleasure to be on the show. I loved it.
Ok, on va te souhaiter beaucoup de courage pour la suite.
I wish you the same.
Et on espère t'entendre un peu plus souvent, pas qu'en Suède. Je suis sûre qu'il y a plein de gens là-dedans qui aimeraient, qui découvriront et qui adoreront ce que tu fais. Donc essaye un peu de spread out.
I hope so. I'll try. Thank you very much, and I wish everybody had a great time and everything.
Ok, alors on va terminer avec une chanson que j'aime bien. Je crois que le titre c'est Celebrate. Tu la chantes avec Mehari, Daki. Ce sont des Africains aussi?
Mehari is African and Daki is from Serbia.
Ah, ok. Et je crois que la chanson en elle-même c'était pour l'Alliance indomptable.
Yeah, it was about celebration. It was about celebrating life, so celebrating culture, celebrating humanity.
Ok, mais dans le clip, ils portent tous le jersey de orange d'Alliance indomptable.
Yeah, the video was Celebrate My Country.
Ah, ok, intéressant. Donc, on va donc terminer en beauté. On va terminer avec ton pays.
Oui.
Et on va te souhaiter beaucoup de courage pour la suite.
Merci.
Bonne soirée à toi et merci encore d'avoir été des nôtres.
À toi, Salaman Kiss. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Good night.
Even if they say I won't make it, I'ma celebrate. And I know this, whoa, and I know this, yay. Even if they say I won't make it, I'ma celebrate. And I know this, whoa, and I know this, yay.
He told the nurses I don't wanna die today. I wanna live another day so I can help my homies all see a better day. I've been away, I understand that I've been astray. Was at a loss, I'ma strive to recuperate. Worries I incarcerated, and I'll forget to regret. I'll be living like I always win the bet. I'm powered up like a jumbo jet fanning out. Hit a cloud cruise like my fuel never running out. She said something about it, and she's a goddess saving life for a living. So her words never doubted or think twice about it. He lays trust upon it in her hands. He dreams coming up with a plan, and now he living dog, overachieving dog. Travel the land and the seas, dog, living up, learning all the world has to offer. He celebrate, enjoy the moment, see the grave on a later date.
Even if they say I won't make it, I'ma celebrate. And I know this, whoa, and I know this, yay. Even if they say I won't make it, I'ma celebrate. And I know this, whoa, and I know this, yay.
Yeah, we dream hardest when we hit the ground. The light bearer, acknowledge you a king and deserve a crown. You insecure, always in the underground. Till the hour when life moves past you without a sound. And then you start to count blessings. Great pain teaches life's lesson. Cherish your little heaven. Tell your people you love them. Put nothing else above them on a pedestal. Literal, emotional, ephemeral. We consummating every second like we never had. Laughing now, it could be the last. Move fast, staring at the homie in the glass. Enriching heights that were so far away when we started class. This is graduation, bro, put your glass up. Time now, we don't need a motive, so we party up. With good friends and memories, a new ambition. Savor life's simple moments with a celebration.
Even if they say I won't make it, I'ma celebrate. And I know this, whoa, and I know this, yeah. Even if they say I won't make it, I'ma celebrate. And I know this, whoa, and I know this, yeah. Even if they say you won't make it, you should celebrate. They got nothing on your soul, you should celebrate. Living life to the illest, see the light. Can you feel it? We gon' rise way above it, stand up. We gon' celebrate. We gon' celebrate. We gon' celebrate, baby.
Even if they say you won't make it, you should celebrate. They got nothing on your soul, you should celebrate. Living life to the illest, see the light. Can you feel it? We gon' rise way above it, stand up. We should celebrate. Yeah, we gon' celebrate. Yeah, we should celebrate. Yeah, we gon' celebrate. Yeah.
La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles.
Si j'avais su avant de quitter que les allées.
La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles.
Simmons. I believe that legacy is everything, but what is everything when everything is nothing and nothing?
La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles. La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles. La Sun Black FM, c'est la radio qu'il vous faut. Demeurez-nous fidèles.
Yeah. Yeah.
La Sun Black FM vous invite à la découverte des talents africains avec son émission Sun Kiff. La Sun Black FM vous invite à la découverte des talents africains avec son émission Sun Kiff Talent. Retrouvez-nous 2 fois par mois, les mercredis à partir de 21h. Une émission culturelle présentée par Mouankez.
Vous étiez sur la Sun Black FM avec Mouankez. L'émission c'était Sun Kiff Talent. On a reçu ce soir Juan Simons du côté de la Suède qu'on encourage beaucoup. Alors merci à tous ceux qui ont été là, à tous ceux qui ont prêté main forte à cette émission, à cette radio et aussi à cet artiste. On se reprend très prochainement sur la Sun Black FM. Surtout restez connectés. Je vous souhaite une très belle nuit. Au revoir.